Hey everybody, so I've got this 2021 Chevy Silverado 2500 HD, and quite frankly, I'm tired of playing ring around the floor mat with it. Now, I live on a dirt road and it gets dirty quick. Let me show you what I mean. Obviously, I have wonderful Virginia clay for a lawn. And this is what I mean by ring around the floor mat. See all of the dirt and crap that kind of just lays down around that floor mat. But I did find a solution for this problem. So I went on Amazon and found these molded Oedro floor mats that are specifically made for my truck. Beautiful part about it is, and I'll show you when I install, is the old floor mats go to about here. This closes that gap where I've got that nasty ring, and I will cover that up so no more dirt getting down to the carpet with these mats. Also goes up way up by the gas pedal and brake pedal, so that'll keep that area clean as well. Here is the passenger side, and oh, I forgot to mention, check out the giant mat that goes on the back. It even covers up that center section. Let me get the old ones out, do a little bit of vacuuming, and we'll see how these new ones fit. I think we're ready to put those mats in. Let's start with the passenger side. All right, let's see how this fits. Just gonna oh yeah, I like that. That fits pretty nice. So you just drop that in there, and it's pretty snug, I think, which is good. They've got a little protective thing on the name there. There we go. That corner's going to need to settle a little bit, but honestly, somebody sits in this seat with their feet on it, that's going to take care of that. Yeah, and it comes all the way over there. Yeah, nice. We'll do the back next. There's a little bit of a wrinkle. This kid said that it worked fine with a truck that came with the stock under seat box. Mine's not stock. It didn't come with the under seat box. I put one in. There's a video on my channel for it, which, by the way, if you're enjoying this video, like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Yeah, and there's a bunch of videos about this truck and tons of other cars. So I put an aftermarket box in the under the back seat. We'll see if this fits with that aftermarket one. If it doesn't, it's on me. All right, for the back, I've got the back seat up. You can see all my junk in there. I'm gonna have to slip it underneath the box. So, let's see. Which means twisting the whole thing like this. Move you a little bit there, camera. Some more bad camera production right there. Should never see a person's back. All right. It's gonna fit. I just gotta slip it underneath the box. All right, we got the back in. Fits great. I did have to pull up my aftermarket box. I mean, it's still in here. But I had to physically pull it up and then tuck the mat underneath. But it did fit. Now the mat we've all been waiting for, driver's mat. All right, we're just gonna go in like this. Push you down. Make sure everything's good there. There we go. And we pop this other one in. All right, both in. I like that. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. These Oedro floor mats are great. No more ring around the floor mat for me. As always, there's a link in the description. If you got any questions, put them in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Have a great one, y'all. I'll see you down the road.